We talk about how can you change interface language on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, automatically it's going to take you to your settings here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to interface language here. So you just click on it here. It's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you select language you want to add on your app. So here can you change it in this list. So there is a lot of language can you add. I'm going to click on English here. So then here automatically it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.